Welcome. In this video, we'll be integrating cosine squared of 5x dx. So this is the case where you have an even power. And for these cases, we need to recall from trig some power reducing formulas. That is, cosine squared of an angle theta is equal to 1 plus cosine of double that angle divided by 2. And we don't need this formula for this problem, but for good measure and to ensure everyone remembers it, sine squared of an angle theta is equal to 1 minus cosine of 2 theta divided by 2. So we have an additional hurdle here. That is, I have a 5x here instead of just a single angle or single value like x. So in this case, theta equals 5x. So when I replace this here, I'm going to have an entire quantity of 5x. So I'll end up with 2 times 5x here. Let's see what this looks like in practice. So this becomes 1/2 times the integral of 1 plus cosine of 2 times 5x dx. So this is 1/2 times the integral of 1 plus cosine 10x dx. Now you can do this in your head, but if you struggle with the type of problems where you have a function inside of another function, let's just go ahead and manually compute this substitution. That is, let w equal 10x, then dw equals 10 dx, or 1 over 10 dw equals dx. Now why would I do that? We split this as 1/2 the integral of dx plus 1/2 times the integral of cosine 10x dx. Now the reason I did that is so that I can rewrite this integral here. So what does this become? This becomes 1/2 times the integral of cosine w dw, and of course I have this extra 10 out front, so I'm going to multiply that here. This tells me I can rewrite this as 1/2 times the integral of dx. This part did not change, but this part did. This is 1 over 20 times the integral of cosine of w dw. Now let's integrate these. This first integral is x over 2, and this second integral is just 1 over 20 sine of w, and of course we have a constant plus c. So of course I have a mix of x's and w's, which is not good. So let's go ahead and replace this w here with our original 10x, and that means we end up with x over 2 plus sine of 10x over 20 plus a constant c. You can also write this further as 10x plus sine 10x over 20 plus c. I hope this video was helpful.